Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace, let me see if I can turn here and get a good angle. There we go. Your upper A-arm assembly or ball joint, A-arm on a Honda Civic. What it is, we replace the wheel bearing. Check out the channel and you'll see it in another video. And that A-arm assembly with that ball joint, that's just really old and worn out, so we're going to go ahead and replace the whole assembly. We got a new set, but first, in order to get to those bolts that hold it in, there is one right down in there, and there's another one right here on the back side of the battery. So in order to do that, we got to take the battery out, take out the air filter box. Take the air filter box out, there's two bolts. One there, one right down in there. They're 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and get the battery and that air filter box removed. Alright guys, we got the air filter breather intake box removed right here in the wheel well assembly. We got the battery removed. Now we can get to the two bolts. There's one right there, right above the battery harness wires. There's one right there on the back side. By the way, guys, those bolts are 15 millimeter, and this is a Honda. They are metric. So let's get those removed. Be right back with you. All right, guys, we got the two bolts removed. There's one laying right there. There's the other one laying in the battery tray. Now we're gonna reach up in here. There we go. And pull out the old one. It goes. Hang on one second here. There we go. Sorry about the technical difficulty, guys. It's right there around the shock tower. Through the bolt holes, as you can see. Here's the old one. Like I said, this ball joint, it's pretty worn out, as you can see. It's dry rotted, and the threads are, just old and worn out on it. So yeah, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and replace them. They weren't that expensive. I said there's no play or there's no give left in these bushings. One second, I'll show you the brand new ones. All right, guys, we're back, and there goes the brand new one. I said, here's the old worn out one. There's nothing left of that thing. This one does have a plastic cover on it you pop off, but we'll wait to take it off when we put the spindle assembly back on. I'm sorry, mine was drawing a blank there. Also, we're going to use plenty of anti-seize and put it inside the sleeves here on the bushings. So if one day we ever got to take this apart, or you get in a collision or something like that and you got to take it apart, it'll come right apart. So let's get that put together. One second. Alright guys, we got the bolts started back in the top of the shock tower assembly, connecting the A-arm. Brand new one right there. Now we're just going to tighten it down, and we will be good to go. One second, I'll show you. Alright guys, we got the battery back in place. We got the shock tower A-arm bolts. We got them torqued down. And there it is up in there, all nice and pretty. We ain't got the spindle bolted back to it yet. Now we're putting the air filter air intake assembly back on. We're going to stick the two bolts back in it, and we will be done. And there you go, guys. That's how you replace the upper A-arm assembly on a Honda Civic, or ball joint A-arm assembly. Some people's got different names for them, but that's how you replace it. Remove the old one and install a new one. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.